latest addition to the world of premium gaming keyboards. But what sets it apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's not a mechanical keyboard. Welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Introducing the DrunkDeer, a keyboard crafted for those who demand more. This is a budget magnetic switch keyboard. Budget magnetic switch keyboards are affordable mechanical keyboards that utilize magnetic switches instead of traditional mechanical switches, offering a cost-effective option for those seeking a tactile typing experience without breaking the bank. Designed with speed and stability in mind, this keyboard is the first of its kind to feature magnetic switches, which actuate through the Hall effect. But what's in the box, you ask? Well, the DrunkDeer A75 comes with everything you need to get started: a USB cable, some extra keys, and our DrunkDeer. This keyboard uses innovative magnetic switches that actuate through the Hall effect, rather than traditional mechanical switches. What sets the DrunkDeer A75 apart is its ability to adjust actuation on the fly, from 3.6mm down to an unbelievable 0.4mm. With magnetic switches, there's less physical contact within the switch, resulting in better durability and a much softer typing feel and sound. Listen to this. As you can hear, the DrunkDeer A75's magnetic switches offer a smoother and quieter typing experience, perfect for those long gaming sessions or late-night work projects. Plus, with its customizable RGB backlight effect and exquisite stabilizer, the DrunkDeer A75 is the perfect keyboard for those who demand speed and stability from their keyboard. Unlike traditional mechanical switches that rely on sensitive hardware like metal leaf and pin and optics, magnetic switches have no physical contact with the switch when the key is pressed. This not only eliminates most friction and noise, but also provides a 100 time keystriking life, which is 2 times of the traditional ones. The DrunkDeer A75's magnetic switches offer an actuation range of 0.4 to 3.6mm, which can be adjusted to meet your need. With 9 levels for fast responding or accurate input, you can switch between different kinds of pressing tactile for gaming or typing. The keyboard comes with ABS keycaps and all-area magnetic switches that ensure speed is applied to every single key, providing a flawless typing experience. The sound-absorbing foam and bottom pad, along with the high-quality aluminum plate, minimize the interference of noise and friction. The switches use magnets to interact with the sensors to actuate your input, without the need for a switch leaf. It feels as good as typing on a buttery linear switch. Now, the great thing about this keyboard is that you can change actuation distance on the fly, with a longer travel when it's more suitable, and a shorter travel for those sweaty gamers. The DrunkDeer A75 has put huge effort into creating an exquisite stabilizer that values every detail of smooth typing. Its most practical 75% compact layout saves more space on the desk, providing more possibilities for desk makeup. Additionally, the keyboard's angle-adjustable tilt lens and volume-adjust aluminum knob allow for a customizable typing experience. Magnets are preferred in keyboards as they offer several advantages. Firstly, they have a longer lifespan as there's no physical contact between the key and the sensor. Additionally, they allow for almost instantaneous key detection, resulting in a much quicker response time. With magnets, you can also adjust your actuation level to a comfortable setting, without the need to change out your switches. They are also rated waterproof at an IP66 rating. Lastly, the switches provide a smooth typing experience and feel great to type on. And let's not forget about the keyboard's diverse RGB backlight effect, which adds a touch of personality to your setup. With its brand new switch sensation and customizable features, the DrunkDeer A75 is the perfect keyboard for those who demand more speed and stability from their gaming or typing experience. One crazy feature about this magnetic switch keyboard's versatility is users can easily swap switches themselves, providing the flexibility to customize typing experiences similar to traditional mechanical keyboards. Additionally, the keyboard's integrated chip features an automatic calibration function that scans and adjusts upon switch replacement, ensuring smooth and error-free code transmission. Also presenting DrunkDeer Antler, an innovative way to customize your keyboard, be it your debounce count, or the key assignment, or the key sensitivity, or the lights. Everything. And if you use this code, you will get an additional 30% off on your keyboard. So this was all about the DrunkDeer A75 Keyboard. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your review in the comments down below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.